Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, your girl is back with yet another Okra face mask, but there is a twist, okay? But before we jump into this video, if you're not yet subscribed, join the fam. Click the subscribe button along with that notification bell down below so you are notified every time your girl posts a new video. Don't forget to like and share, save a friend, as I like to say. You never know what might come in handy, okay? You might just need this mask one day when your skin is feeling inflamed or you need a quick glow. So if you have not watched my last okra mask video, go ahead and do so. I will tag the video. Long story short, the okra mask is super simple, affordable, and a really good mask to try. However, I just knew there was more potential, okay? It was not giving me the hydration that I was looking for. I just wanted to add even more moisture to the skin. However, I see the potential with okra, okay? So we went back into the lab, aka my kitchen, and we added some more ingredients to make this okra mask super moisturizing yet very affordable. You only need like 3 ingredients per mask. So yes, you heard that right. I'm showing you guys how to do 2 different okra masks in this video. But if you only have okra, go ahead and try the okra mask. It might be just what you're looking for, but your girl has been trying so many different masks lately, and I was like, you know what? I think we can add some more pizzazz to this. A lot of you guys love asking me what are other ways that I implement okra into my lifestyle, and now I have added it topically. The benefits of okra are just so amazing, so definitely give it a try, whether it is the first mask or one of these masks that I'll be showing you.
Alright y'all, so I'll be putting you onto 2 different recipes that I created, and I personally find them so hydrating. In my previous video, I showed you guys how to make the base of an okra face mask. You can have this as is, it stands alone, it's really good, but I personally wanted to add some more moisturizing benefits to it. So you're gonna let this simmer for about 10 minutes in some distilled water. When it cools down, you're gonna give it a good blend. You can also add a little bit of water. It's better to add as you go. You don't want this mask to be too liquidy nor too thick. Just right, okay? Just go with the vibes. You'll see. Again, you can stop right here, add some vitamin E if you want to preserve it a little longer in the refrigerator, but we're gonna be extra and we're gonna add some more benefits, okay? So for the first okra face mask recipe, we're gonna be adding Greek yogurt. You want to make sure that it is plain, and I added about 2 tablespoons of this. Then I'm going to follow up with some raw honey. This is just incredible for the skin. You guys, your skin will thank you. This will be perfect for the fall/winter season. Now, each ingredient brings some serious skin benefits. Okra is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, which helps to boost collagen and fight off dullness. It also hydrates and calms irritated skin. Greek yogurt gently exfoliates with lactic acid, smooths your skin, and the probiotics help keep breakouts in check, okay? And honey locks in moisture, it soothes inflammation, and it can even help fade dark spots over time.
It's so cold. One thing about this mask, since we're using fresh ingredients, even if you put vitamin E to help preserve it a little bit, you have to put it in the refrigerator, or else I'm pretty certain it will go bad very, very quickly and smell disgusting. As you can see, I just decided to get a little messy, and I'm going to be using my hands for this. I feel like it gets in all the little areas that I need. This feels so good, you guys, and it feels so soothing because of the honey and the yogurt. I feel like it just gives it a calming scent. As you can see, the mask is on. I typically leave on my face mask for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I will be back to show you guys the final results.
When I tell you my skin felt so smooth, you guys have to give it a try. If you want to, of course. I forgot to mention this earlier, but I like to keep the plain okra mask recipe in my refrigerator. So that's just the okra with some distilled water and vitamin E to preserve it. And then I can add these extra ingredients throughout the week depending on what my face needs. So for recipe number 2, we're going to be using my all-time favorite fresh aloe vera. I'm using a really generous chunk, okay? And we're gonna just blend this up. Of course, you guys know I had to remove the latex, so if you don't know how to do that, check out my previous videos. I have a long form video and a short. And then I'm going to add some raw honey to this as well because hello, moisture. We're gonna give this a good mixy mix, and you can see the consistency that I like to go for. Not too thin where it will be dripping off of your face, but not too thick either. Now, of course, we have the same benefits of the okra and honey that I mentioned earlier. However, for this specific mask, we subtracted the Greek yogurt and we're adding in aloe vera instead. Now, aloe vera is just incredible. It hydrates the skin deeply, reduces redness, and speeds up healing, especially if your skin is inflamed or stressed. Personally, this makes my skin so moisturized and glowy, so I love this stuff. This version, I have to say, was my favorite. Altogether, this mask is like a reset button for your skin. It's calming, nourishing, and it leaves your skin feeling super soft, refreshed, and glowy.
Let me know which mask you guys decide to give a try. Leave it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. It will notify you every time your girl posts a new video. And give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow and reach others. And you can even go a step further by sharing the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you guys very shortly in my next one. Stay blessed.